Hi guys, this is Tushar Shetty and I'm back at IDALS. My second tutorial is up on the website. My choreography on Dil Dooba. It's an intermediate choreography for all of you all to learn. It's one of my favorite performances from Super Dancer and you guys have shown a lot of love to it. So finally it's here. This cool t-shirt and cap that you all see. Urban Monkey, thank you so much for giving me this. This is really cool. I'm gonna do my showcase in this, I think. So yeah, let's get into class. Okay, so let's start learning the choreography. Before we start, this is one of my favorite songs. A lot of y'all have really liked my choreography. Every time I've danced to this song. मैंने तेजस के साथ पहले एक वीडियो बनाया था और फिर फ्लोरिना के साथ सुपर डांसर 4 में परफॉर्म किया था. The song is Dil Dooba. So what I'm going to teach you all today is just one small section from the choreography. My favorite part actually. This choreography is influenced क्योंकि it was a music edit. बहुत सारे afro beats add होके एक अलग flavor दिया था ये section को just to make it look different from the rest of the song, which is why I thought I should teach this because it's also like really fun because there's a lot of grooves and yeah, like I said, afro के basics बहुत use किया है मैंने ये choreography में, but just to make it clear, I'm not teaching afro, it's a choreography. Afro flavor है, afro vibe है, afro grooves है. So yeah, let's start learning the choreography. Let's break it down into 3 sections. You already know the process. I'm going to start with the first part. Because it's a music piece, my counts might not make sense to you all, but I will try my best to stay in rhythm. Slowly start karenge or I'm sure we'll get there. Okay, let's go. So starting with dhum tak tak dhum tak tak. Yes, okay. So the first music starts dhum tak, tak, doom, tak, tak. That's your beat. Let's follow this while we learn the choreography, okay? Doom, tak, tak, bass, tak, tak, okay? So you start with a stomp with your right leg. You're going to roll it out to stomp. Yes, that's your bass. That's your bass. You're going to prep for the bass. This is when you actually hit the beat. Yes? So bass, ka, ka. Yes? So what exactly are we doing with the legs and the arms? My arms are also going to go exactly like my right leg to go out, bass. Yes, bass is when you hit strong. Yes, make sure you hit this position so you don't lose your balance. Yes, right here, grounded, my arms are going to be here. Yes, all at once and boom. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, roll, boom. Yes, and 1 is when you start dancing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and bass, ka. The first snare is just your pelvis coming up. The second one is just your elbows lifting up. Yes, my fist is going to stay there. Yes, so from my first position, this is my first bass to go ka, ka. That's it. Yes, let's just try this. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. You go bass, ka, ka. Nice. Moving on. The second bass. What I'm going to do is I'm going to release my energy, shift to my left side with just a small bounce to go bass and. Bass and. Yes, stay in control. Boom. That's your bass. Boom. Hit and come back. Stay in control. Right? 5, 6, 7, 8. Bass and. Nice. Moving on. Ka, ka. I'm going to shift my weight backwards and then I'm going to shift my weight forward. Yes? So back, forward. That's what my body is doing. Okay, so back, forward. Yes, I use my left leg. My body weight stays on my left leg both the times. Even when I go back, step your right again to go forward and step your left. Yes, 5, 6, 7, 8, back and front. Yes, now as soon as you land, you're going to end this with a toe tap. Yes, so back and front and. 5, 6, 7, 8, back and front and. Yes, this is just a breakdown. We're still going boom, ka, ka, boom, ka, ka, just so you know. Okay, let's go from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go bass, ka, ka, bass, ka, ka. Yes, just make sure you shift your weight. My right leg comes up. I place it back to go forward with my left and tap my toe. That's it. Yes. This is going to be a little fast. It goes boom, ka, ka, boom, ka, ka. Yes. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go boom, ka, ka, boom, ka, ka. Yes. With my arms, I'm just trying to flow with my body. My body goes back. I do this with my right hand just to mirror my right hand. You know, you can style yourself, do whatever you like. You want to just keep it here, anything. So with your arms, just be open to explore whatever feels comfortable to you all. For me, I just like going boom, ka, ka. Yes, just mirror my legs or just go with the flow, anything. Yes? Okay. So boom, ka, ka, boom, ka, ka. One last time and then we move on. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bass. Ka. Ka, bass, ka, ka. Moving on, groove to your right, groove to your left. On my right first, with my, it's like, okay, let me just show it like this. Yes, यहाँ से पूरा weight अगर right side फेंकना हो, right leg पे body weight रख के, so boom, ka. Yes, it's that move. Yes, if you've done a lot of classes and dancing, you might just be familiar with it. So you go right and left and yes, think of pulling yourself forward with all your weight and then place the other leg. Yes, pull yourself, place the other leg. Yes, that's it. But just the vibe and a little hype and a little groovy. Yes, try to use your body, try to move forward. So I think that will make sense. Okay, from your last position, you go 5, 6, 7. On my right first, to go right and left and yes. So my body going right, my body going left. I'm going to end here. My third bass is just going to be a boom. That's it. Yes, boom, boom, boom. It's a dancehall move. It's called stay far. I think I learned it in one of the classes that I did. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, खाली एक छोटा सा variation है बस. All you're going to do is shoot somebody and go back. Yes, that's also going to happen on my right leg. I'm going to bounce and go back. 5, 6, 7, 8. You bounce and go. But this is just one bass. You land and shoot at the same time. It goes boom. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. And you go back. Yes, the going back is just okay. Let it be. Then I'll come back. Okay. Okay. So bass, ka, ka, bass, ka, ka. Right and left and bass. Yes, moving on. So as soon as I hit the third bass, I go shoot. Yes, this will make more sense to music, but there's a 1 count gap over here. You go boom and then you charge back again to go right, left, right, left. Yes, all the way going up. So it's like, let me shoot. Okay, chhod do. Ta-da-da-da-da. Yes, so that's the feeling. You go bass, 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 da-da-da-da, bass, 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 da-da-da-da. Yes, 5, 6. So from your last position, 5, 6, 7, 8, bass, 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 da-da-da-da. Yes, all the way up on the ball of my feet. Yes, I'm also going to take my arms all the way up just to make it look more dynamic. So bass, da-da-da-da. Yes, now all my energy is right up here. Yes, यहाँ पर है, ये पूरा एनर्जी को एक साथ नीचे ग्रूव करेंगे हम लोग. From here, you're going to bounce, bounce twice. Yes, bounce, bounce. That's your groove. You go bounce, bounce twice. With my hips, all I'm going is right, left with the same bounce. Yes, so last position. 5, 6, 7, go bounce, bounce. That's it. Yes, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bounce, bounce. You can have your own vibe. जो हाथ करना है वो कर सकते हो. Anything. Yes, this is just doom, two. That's it. So bass, 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 doom, two. Make sense? Okay. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Go bass, 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 groove, groove to go boom. Yes. Again. Bass, 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 groove, groove, bass, bass. Yes, there's a lot of doom, 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 doom with this music piece especially. Okay, so there's going to be a lot of basses, but different patterns and different timings. Yes, so from here you groove right, you groove left to go bass, boom. Yes, again be as wild, as big, as dynamic as you can with your arms to go boom boom. Yes, तो वो vibe आपका खुद का आपको create करना है. Yes, it'll make sense when I play music. बहुत बार सुन लोगे music का feel ले लोगे तो I think it'll also help you in performing. But for now, let's just learn the choreography. So tararara, groove, groove, bass, bass. Yes. So the first bass is just down up, boom. Second one again. Yes. So boom, boom. The first one is with my arms and my upper body. The second one is just your pelvis. Yes. So boom, boom. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Yes. Okay. Moving on. Bass, bass. We're almost at the end of the first section. Let's go almost there. I think one last combo and the first section will be good enough. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, you go boom, boom. All right. Okay. Just give me a second. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Yes. Left, right. So from my last position, I go left, right. I'm going to charge with my body. My upper body goes boom, 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 hit, hit. That's it. Yes, bounce, bounce with left, right. That's it. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Go. You go hit, hit, right, left, right, left. Yes. So right leg going tap right, tap with your left hand, tap with my right. Tap with your left from behind. Yes. So आगे आगे पीछे पीछे. Okay. So from my last position, I go left, right, right. Now when I switch, my body weight is center. Right. When I'm going to lift my right leg, I cannot lift it up like that or like that. So to get my body weight center, I'm going to shift my left leg in. Yes. So 1. That's going to be your transition. Okay. Boom, boom, right. Left, right, left. From there, you're going to go back, back, diagonally backwards on my left leg. My right leg is going to come out. My right hand is going to go bass, bass, all at the same time. Yes, 5, 6, 7, go bass, bass. Right? So from my last position, slightly diagonal. Yes, on my left leg. Bass, bass. The bass is going to be my land. I'm not going to jump. It's not going to go bass, bass. It's bass, bass. Yes. Everything with the bounce at the same time. Yes. Okay. So tap, 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 tap. You go bass, bass. Yes. My left arm just stays there. Okay. Body leaning forward. My middle body backwards, my right leg up, my pelvis is just tucked in. Yes, I'm in this position. Just make sure you're really strong on your left leg. You don't want to lose your balance. Yes, be dynamic, but only as much as your body can be in control still. Okay, let's go. So from my last position, 5, 6, 7, 8, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, bass, bass. Yes, so all of this whole entire last speed, it goes boom, 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 boom. It's fast. Yes, boom, 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 boom. It's a build up to the next section, which is why this had to go ding, ding, ding. Yes, so musically it's something like that. Let's try this whole combo. That was your first section, guys. Just by the way, I hope you all are doing great. Let's start from the top and do this whole section together. Yes, let's do it slowly, medium and fast. You'll already know the process. Why am I saying it again? Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, bass, ka, ka, bass, ka, ka, bass, bass, shoot, groove, groove, bass, bass, left, right, tap, 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 bass, bass. Yes, that was slow. Let's do it a little faster. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, bass, ka, ka, bass, ka,
groove, groove, shoot, tararara, doom, 2, bass, bass.